guys, and welcome to another studio vlog. It's currently a Sunday. We're starting the week early. We're starting it on Sunday rather than Monday because last week we did a product launch, and thank you so much for all your support if you purchased on the product launch. And we have been overwhelmed by the amount of orders that we've had on, so thank you so much. I'm going to be packaging today, so I know you guys quite like the packaging order vlog. I've also just unboxed the new little kitchen area that I'm making here in the studio. In the communal kitchen up here there is no microwave. Although there is a fridge, there's no microwave and we can't really cook anything, so I purchased a microwave and a kettle and a toaster so that we don't have to keep walking around to the communal kitchen. And I've always liked the idea, I don't know why, of having a little kitchen area. It's kind of like when you were a kid you wanted like a little mini fridge and a kettle in your room. Maybe that was just me, I don't know. I just really wanted to have that little space, but I've just run into an issue because I've realised where I have positioned kind of the kitchen area, there is no plugs, and I don't really fancy the idea of running all the appliances through an extension lead. They're kind of just sat there at the minute, not being used. But yeah, it looks really cute, and I just got them from Tesco and they're like really super cheap. The kettle and the toaster were £15 each, and they look really cool. The white and everything is exactly what I was looking for. Anyway, now I'm going to get to work on packaging orders, but I really want to show you what I've been working on. I've got like a new touch to my packaging, which I think has totally changed the game, and it looks so freaking cute, so I'm definitely going to show you that right now. So this is currently what I've been doing, and I totally took the inspiration for this from Lush. So if you ever get like a Lush bath bomb or anything from Lush, you can always see these little stickers that say packaged by whoever packaged, or handmade by whoever handmade the bath bomb. And I thought this would be such a cute idea to put on my orders to show who packaged the orders up. So here we've got Dean and his little cute face. As you can see, Dean hasn't used many of his stickers because he's been doing baby blue orders. But there's Dean's little cute face. And then we've got Mike. He's definitely winning so far. He's used the most. And here's Mike's. How cute. And then there's me. And I've been packaging some orders too, and it just looks really cute alongside this tissue paper. It works really well. But now I'm just going to get to work on packaging orders. And also, a lot of you guys ask where Emily is at the moment, and she's currently working on her own creative career. So she's trying to build up her own freelance business, but she was in the other week packaging orders as well when we went away to Dumfries. But now she's kind of just trying to focus on her own creative career, so she kind of just comes in as and when she's needed, or if she wants to do some overtime. So just for you guys who, I know you really like seeing Emily in the vlogs, she's kind of just focusing on her own stuff at the moment. Anyway, let's get to work now and package some orders. Let's go, shall we? It's not all glamour in the office. We literally have nowhere to plug in the microwave, so we've had to pull this desk away from the wall and plug it in just here, just to warm our dinner up. So Dean's having to use this. There you go, Dean. Ooh, it's got cardboard in. And this is what I cooked last night. It was from HelloFresh. It's like a Thai lard salad or something. Lard salad? I don't know. Update on the microwave. It's actually not warming the food up. I don't know what's wrong, whether we've got a dodgy microwave or something. It's like my food has been in for 10 minutes and it's lukewarm, so we're gonna have to return that microwave. We're not having much luck today. Hello guys, and happy Wednesday. Oh my god, I look a mess today. Yesterday, basically all I did was kind of like an admin day, and I also finally filmed, oh no, that's the Lord of the Rings thing I'm listening to. I finally filmed a personal vlog for my channel, even though it's not showing it, which was the van tour for Peggy. So if you're not following me over there, I'll leave a link in the description. I've currently got 6,000 followers, so thank you so much for that. Anyway, today my new thank you cards have finally come, so I'm gonna show you guys them, and I also want to show you something that I purchased which has been life-changing, and you guys are the ones who suggested it on my previous studio vlog. So first of all, let me show you the thank you cards that have arrived, and then I'm going to show you this new piece of equipment for the studio, which is so good. Beautiful. So these are the new thank you cards. Also, I've been using my little IKEA stand, which is meant for phones and stuff. You're meant to put like phones and stuff on it, but I've been using this pineapple pad that's in my store at the moment, and I've kind of just been like propping it on here when I use it. Anyway, here's the new thank you cards. I've been obsessed with strawberries lately. I don't know what it is, but I tend to illustrate them on literally everything at the moment. So it's a little cute strawberry yogurt pot on the front, and then the back is just the usual where it says thank you for all your shopping, and it's got our little heads on the back here. Oh, it's not focusing, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just a cute simple yogurt pot design. This was just sat on Procreate not really doing anything, and I really wanted to put it to use. So the last one was this pineapple one, and as you can see we have reduced the size because I ordered the wrong size for the pineapple one. And then this is the next one, so I might put it up here on my wall next to the Alexan's print, but I want to go over here because that over there is the new corner clipper that I've got, and you guys suggested it. So on the last vlog, I was hand cutting each postcard with a little corner clipper that I've literally had for about 5 years now, and I had to clip them all, and I've got like 1,000 postcards to go through. Some of you guys suggested to get an industrial corner clipper that can cut a lot at the same time. I didn't even think this was a thing, but thanks to you guys, I've managed to find this little machine thing, and I got it off eBay. And I think I just put like corner clipper commercial or industrial or something like that, and it came up. So let's get these because I want to clip the corner of all the thank you cards, and we've got around 1,000 in this box. And I also have started clipping just everything that I own now because it is just so fun and satisfying to use. I've got a few more enamel pin backing cards that I really need to do, so I'm going to corner clip them as well. So let's get to work. It's pretty simple. You just put them in the corner like that, and then you clip away. So let's get over there and do it. I found if you cut it on this corner, if you cut too much at the same time, it doesn't cut like perfect. Cut about an inch worth now, this much at a time, and I find that kind of helps, but it still isn't like perfect. But I am a little bit of a perfectionist, so. But yeah, I've done all of these so far. I've still got all of them in there. I don't know whether I'm just going to do these for now and then come back to these at a later date when we need them, or whether I should just get it all out and finished. What should I do? Thank you, that's so cute.
Maybe start doing some rescue videos as well. Should be fun.
Yeah, I already filmed some for the bookmarks, but and happy Thursday. It's super rainy and drizzly outside. It's making me have really cozy vibes. I've just been to get my nails done because my nail lady moved into these offices. I cannot believe it. What are the chances of that? And she's literally on the same floor, literally just down the hallway. So I've just been to get my nails done, and they're all like these little floral little flowers on them. Absolutely obsessed with them. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the studio vlog here. Thank you so much for all your support. It really does mean the world, even just watching these YouTube videos. And a huge shout out to my beautiful patrons. I'm currently filming an exclusive studio vlog for them right now, so I'm going to get to work on that, and I'll see you all very freaking soon. Thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.